question has been asked. What is Buckminster fullerene? Sorry, I've got something in my throat. So, someone out there decided to ask me what Buckminster fullerene is, while linking me to the Wikipedia page. Like, you could just read it. However, I am determined to take on the challenge. Buckminster fullerene is carbon. Essentially, that's pretty much all there is to it. There are many different forms of carbon. You'll be familiar with graphite and diamond, and just so many things are made out of carbon. Like, carbon is a very big part of how your body works, and all all organic matter has carbon in it that we're aware of. The difference with Buckminster fullerene is that it was discovered fairly recently, compared with many other forms of carbon that have been known about for quite some time. Buckminster fullerene was discovered within like the past 50 years or so, and it's also called buckyballs because it's the shape of a ball, like a soccer ball. The connections make the very shapes that a soccer ball is formed out of. And another interesting fact about Buckminster fullerene is that it's one of the most powerful antioxidants that we're aware of in the world today. More powerful than blueberries even. Haha. Buckminster fullerene is like 100 times more powerful than traditional antioxidants. This is very important for things like cancer research, even in like studying different kinds of health problems that come from I can't think. Free radicals in the body. Your body can have something called free radicals, which is basically where you eat something and then that thing decides to knock electrons out of your DNA and makes it more reactive and just messes with the things that are very, very important in your body. Oxygen does this, which is why antioxidants are called that. So basically, Buckminster fullerene is very important in the health world now. They're doing a lot of research on it. It can't be used in actual treatments yet because it's so new as far as research goes, except for in like research treatment, which is way expensive. Buckminster fullerene also has a lot of other interesting principles. I think the most interesting thing about Buckminster fullerene is that all of us have interacted with it in our life. It comes naturally in the air, but it's actually, it's fairly rare. It's in the air around us, but it's still like, it's a very small percentage of the air that we interact with, which is why it wasn't discovered until some astronomers were trying to recreate the surface of a star very far away, and they found a lot of things that they expected, a lot of particles that they expected to find when they were recreating the situation on that star, but they also discovered this Buckminster fullerene, which took a lot of math and a lot of science to be able to figure out exactly how it's shaped, because it's not like we can just peek in there. They had to do some math and science to figure that out, based on its atomic